club and the district to much greater heights. So with that, I turn the floor over to you, Agarwalji. Thank you.
Thank you, Gautam, for telling some good words about me. Dr. Manoj Patel, senior members of this prestigious club, and all Rotarians and guests. It's my pleasure coming to your club again. I still remember coming to the Rotary Service Center as a speaker when Kishan Agarwalji had called me long back, about 8-10 years back. I still remember that day. But Rotary Center तो आना मेरे ख्याल से बहुत बार हुआ है एज ए डिस्ट्रिक्ट, इतनी बार अटेंड करे हैं. So you all are one of the lucky clubs to have such a venue. In fact, I would say you all are the only one in Bombay to have such a grand venue. It is a wonderful opportunity being in Rotary and coming to a club today. Let me start. You all are all senior members. Let me just start with something about Rotary. I joined Rotary in 1992 as a charter member of my club. And the new members of Rotary who are there, who should join, who are waiting in join, so it's a journey which we should invite people. Like I always say, Rotary is one of the largest NGOs of the world, with 1.2 million men and women dedicated to building a better world. When Bill Gates wanted to give his money for charity and was wondering how to go around, he found that Rotary is represented in all the cities of the world and has got the least overheads. So for him, it was very easy कि Rotary के साथ जुड़ जाओ, उनका पैसा पूरी दुनिया में अच्छी से transparently खर्चा हो जाएगा. And because of Bill Gates, polio is 99% out of the world. As we all know, Bill Gates announced कि I will give $2. दुनिया में कोई भी $1 दे दे, मैं $2 दे दूंगा. Can you believe such a donor? He has already donated more than $450 million. But this was Bill Gates, but Indians are not far behind. As we all know, Rashi Birla also has given about $10 million, and she is also part of Rotary. Why we should invite people to Rotary? What is the purpose of inviting to people? We have joined, but why should others join? I will give you my different one more version. 2 साल पहले I was attending a program in Surat, और सूरत में एक काफी popular famous महाराज जी हैं called Vijay Shankar Maharaj. Vijay Shankar ji Maharaj spoke for 10 minutes, but he added such a word I have not forgotten till today. He said, the world is such a complicated place, such a difficult place, भगवान इसको अकेला नहीं चला सकता है. और ये दुनिया को अच्छी से चलाने के लिए, to make the world a better place, he has got NGOs like Rotary. He's got NGOs like various other NGOs, but जो इसके member हैं, they have been pre-selected and sent by God so that world can be a better place. So I believe all of us who are part of Rotary have been pre-selected and have come to this world. So there are many such people in the world waiting to become part of NGO, but they have to be invited. मैं आपको एक चीज शेयर करूंगा. 2 साल पहले मैंने मेरी बिल्डिंग में, where I stay at Phoenix Towers, I found a leader in the building. I motivated that lady, and a club was formed overnight, Rotary Club of Lower Parel, existing today also. And within a month, 35 members joined that club, and today also it is continuing. So very easy concept is कि आपके क्लब में जो भी एक एरिया में, सोसाइटी में रहते हो, just motivate a member, form a new club, and you have stayed 30 members in one shot. And members who are waiting to become Rotarians will get an easy opportunity to become a part of Rotary. So this is my thought process on why be a part of Rotary and how easy is to make a member and get more members. जैसे आपको पता है कि अगले साल we have the fourth Indian in Shekhar Mehta becoming the Rotary World President. He has come to your venue. I remember meeting him last time at your venue only for that your yearly lecture. तो शेखर मेहता जी के साल में उनका बहुत बड़ा विजन है. He is planning projects at a national level. His thinking is unbelievable. As he had shared at your meeting, he has announced literacy teach program. India will be literate by 2025. Even the Prime Minister cannot announce such a project. India will be literate by 25. But Rotary being one, government is different in different states, but Rotary is common. 38 governors of India run the full India together. So the vision of Shekhar Mehta ji is absolutely unbelievable. Let's all not miss this year. Let us have maximum members. Let us have maximum donations. Let us have big projects. And your club, I would say, announce a project which you can do all over India. Let's not think of a project even for Bombay. Let us do it a project which is available, and then full India thinks about that project. Let us do this project. So this is what Shekhar Mehta is. He's going to come next year few times to Bombay. Bombay being a very important club, he is going to come a few times to Bombay. So if you got large projects, if you got large donors, if you got AKS members to be recognized, he is here on 27th June at my installation in Bombay. So if you got such people, please be in touch with me and we can invite them for that meeting. आपका जो लोकेशन है, आपका जो वेन्यू का रोटरी सेंटर है, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेस वेर यू कैन हैव रियल वंडरफुल प्रोजेक्ट्स. आपका मेडिकल सेंटर तो आप कर ही रहे हो. आप मेडिकल सेंटर में जो मेडिकल एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हो, आई वुड सजेस्ट वन मोर एक्टिविटी फॉर दैट. एज यू नो, अगले साल एनवायरमेंट इज द 7th focus area. 7th focus area from next year is environment. And I also believe जो अभी COVID which is coming to the world is because of the destruction of environment. We have spoiled the air, we have spoiled the water, we have destroyed the trees, animals, nature to no extent. The greed of human beings went to such a limit कि to save this world, I believe God had to come in and put everyone to knees ki stop everything now. So the importance of environment becomes more bigger, and everything, as you can see, has become clean. And Rotary also has announced before COVID the 7th focus area in environment. So let us work on environment in a big state. I would advise a project of bottle crushing machine. These water bottles are thrown all over the world everywhere. You go to Elephanta, you will find thousands of bottles floating in the water thrown by humans. You go to the roads, you go to the sea, you go anywhere. So destroying these water bottles, which is not going to go out. Your center is so beautiful place. If your club puts a bottle crushing machine at the location of Rotary Center, just a machine 3 feet by 3 feet, all your members and anyone else, all the bottles which is generated in their house, in their office, at any other location, they can come and put it in that machine. And let me tell you, the value of the waste coming out is about 15 rupees a kilo. The whole machine will be free in a year. We can have someone picking up that waste at that price, and your cost of the machine will come out in less than a year. So I suggest to your club to ये मशीन अगर लगाओ तो आज एनवायरनमेंट का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट आप एक बेनिफिट सोसाइटी को कर दोगे. A small project but a big support to everything. Secondly, I would, as a Rotarian, we all know what is four-way test. We know what is honesty, what we should do. It should be fair for everybody. So आज Rotarian can only bring the change in the world. And if we all start being a part of the change, the world will become a much, much better place. We should never do something wrong, whether it is talking the truth or breaking traffic rules. Like I'll give a small example. Suppose in the morning you are going to the airport. You are going to the airport and the signal is closed at 7 o'clock. You can break the signal and go. क्या होता है नॉर्मली, अगर एक इंसान गाड़ी सिग्नल तोड़ती है तो पीछे वाला सोचता है कि ये तोड़ रहा है, मैं भी क्यों रुकूं, पीछे 5-10 गाड़ी वो निकल जाती है. But if a person stops at a closed signal, 10 people will stop behind him. So I appeal to all Rotarians कि every day be the change. It may be in anything. If one Rotarian stops doing something wrong, 10 people behind him will follow. अगर एक 6,000 Rotarian, I would say with Rotractors 15,000 Rotarian, अगर एक भी एक्टिविटी अच्छी करेंगे तो एक हैबिट बन जाएगी. Whether it is in traffic rules, it is cleanliness, it is spitting, whatever it is. So let us be the change to change this world. World will not change overnight. Someone has to start and be the change. Secondly, I would say to make things happen, most important thing is energy. Most important thing is telepathy. When we have high energy, जैसे बोलते हैं, मैं एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ. जैसे एक लाइव एग्जांपल है, एक ऑफिस में एक कंप्यूटर खराब था और वो दिनों से सोच रहे थे ठीक है, खराब पड़ा हुआ, ठीक नहीं हो रहा है. बट देन another person came in who was a very positive person. He thought कि मैं इसको अभी मतलब जल्दी ठीक कराऊंगा. And in reality what happens, the computer person calls up कि कुछ काम है क्या. So this is the reality. When you are positive and you are committed, the full world works with you for the work to happen. मैं ये रोज एक्सपीरियंस करता हूँ on a regular basis. If you are committed to make phone calls to people, like I'll tell you, I make a list every day कि मेरे को 10 जने को फोन करना है. 5 जने का सामने से फोन आता है, काम अपना भी हो जाता है. I'll give you one project of Rotary which is related to this. Before lockdown, one lady approached me. I met her through someone. She said, a very poor lady. She said, my child has got liver transplant operation. मेरे बच्चे की किडनी लीवर खराब है और उसके ऑपरेशन के लिए 16.5 लाख रुपए चाहिए. And I need your help. As usual, मैं कभी किसको ना नहीं बोलता हूँ. I said, we'll definitely do something. And can you believe, next morning I found a contact. I found a donor who gives 25% donation only for transplants. There's an organization in Bombay, they only give money subject to approval, 25% of the money for transplant. So आज next morning, with the commitment and positive energy and telepathy, 25% of the money came in out of 16.5 lakh rupees. But what happened next? Immediately when I went to meet that person and he said yes, he told me, please next morning come to one seminar at Lalit Hotel. He said that seminar is so important and good, you'll be happy you came over there. Next morning I reached Lalit Hotel, I entered the room, and can you believe, the banner on that seminar was Pediatric Liver Transplant Seminar. There were doctors from all over the world. And the organization who was doing that seminar supports the shortfall for liver transplant. Whatever the shortfall for pediatric liver transplant, they support the balance money. and they had already done 100 liver transplants. After that meeting, I became part of that organization. I get 70-80% money for liver transplant from these sources. I arrange some from my Rotary Club or other Rotary clubs, and any child for liver transplant in Bombay will not go back. I have committed to two hospitals in Bombay, Apollo at New Bombay and Global at Parel. Any liver transplant child, please through these donors, you can contact me and it will be done. And every month I'm supporting 3 liver transplants. I'll share with you one more example. 2 years back, or last 5 years, I've been handling these heart surgeries, coordinated 2,500 surgeries. 2 months back, I kept a full-time person to collect donations. I contacted various trusts all over Bombay, and my trained employee with me has got now 20 trusts where money is available, subject to approval and paperwork. So it may be any surgery. For children, money is easily available. Even for adults, sometimes we get money very easily. So I get phone calls from people every single day, and we never say no. और ये पॉजिटिव एनर्जी टेलीपैथी में काम करते रहते हैं, और कभी किसके लिए 25,000, किसके लिए लाख, किसके लिए 10 लाख भी ऐसे पैसे आ जाते हैं. So what I was saying about is commitment, energy, telepathy, anything is possible. So I even appeal to your club कि कभी कोई भी बच्चा आपके क्लब के थ्रू कोई भी सर्जरी हो, don't say no. It may be your staff, the home staff, office staff, factory staff. Let us, जो रोटरी की आज थीम है, रोटरी opens opportunities. So whenever opportunity opens up, don't say no. Try somewhere, put in the groups, contact me. अगर 4-5 जगह ट्राई करोगे committedly, things will happen. So this is the power of telepathy and energy. Secondly, I would invite from your clubs people who want to be part of a project. When you get involved with a project, the level of retention with club is different. The level of donation is different. So आज कोई भी क्लब से आपका कोई मेंबर जुड़ना चाहे, like I keep sharing many times, मैंने पिछले 5 साल में कई रोटेरियंस को कमिटेडली मेरे साथ जोड़ रखा है. एंड आई कोई प्रोजेक्ट आता है, आई सेड मेरे पास फोन आता है, आई डेलीगेटेड टू माय ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल अराउंड मी एंड थिंग्स हैपन. नाउ सोनू सूद का वी हैड अ लेक्चर, यू आर ऑल अवेयर, वी हैड on 12th of September there were 6,200 Rotarians from all over the world joining that lecture. After that, Sonu Sood is sending at least one child every day for different type of surgeries in Bombay and all over India, and we have already helped him with 5 children for various surgeries. So that has opened a different opportunity for Sonu Sood also and for us also. So आपके club से what I was sharing is, like, if you want to have some, you will have some dedicated Rotarians who want to give time, effort, energy, money. First of all, I'm asking is time and money, time and energy. साथ में मेरे साथ जुड़िए, साथ में involve होइए. I'll give you example. 3 years back, with me a Rotarian called Deepa Goenka from Bombay Kandivali. She got attached to a project. She called me for a child needing surgery, heart surgery in Aurangabad, and she said एक बच्चा आया है, can we help him? I immediately said अगर आपका commitment हो तो सब काम हो जाएगा, तो आप साथ में जुड़िए, I am available and you can see the magic. Immediately we made a WhatsApp group. I'm sharing this story so that I can involve people. We formed a WhatsApp group in short. Next stage, I called for the papers from Aurangabad. We called papers for raising money. I involved the doctor at Wadia Hospital. Doctor checked up the reports, said, please call the child urgently. Next day, the child started on a 48-hour journey from Aurangabad to Bombay in an ambulance with stopover on the way. After 2 days, the child reached at 12 o'clock in the night at the hospital. Deepa Goenka was following up continuously with the father of the child. With the hospital, we made arrangement for the child to be received, put to rest for a week. After 1 week, we arranged all the money. The child was ready for operation after 1 week. But the child developed fever and operation was postponed. Again, the Rotarian was following up on a daily basis with the doctor, the hospital team, and the parent. After 1 week, the surgery was done, and she was very happy कि बच्चे का ऑपरेशन हो गया and the child is well. उसके 10 दिन बाद जब बच्चा हॉस्पिटल से वापस जा रहा था, he went to the hospital to see the child off. And this is what I wanted to share. The father of the child told Deepa Goenka कि मैंने अब तक ये बच्चे का नाम नहीं रखा है. And you are the only one having authority and right to name the child. She named that child, and that child is called by that name today also. And वो हर महीने 2 महीने में मेरे को फोटो भेजती रहती है, आज बच्चा बड़ा हो गया, आज उसका बर्थडे, आज वो स्कूल जा रहा है. So this is the involvement, it's like a third child to that Rotarian. I went to Jalna, जहाँ का वो बच्चा था last year, and I called that parent to a local function where a lot of Rotarians was also there. And can you believe, जब वो बच्चे को स्टेज पे बुलाया, the local MLA जो वहाँ पर फंक्शन में आया हुआ था, he also came with a bouquet कि मेरी भी फोटो खिंचवा दो बच्चों के साथ. And the parent of the child told everybody कि यहाँ के कोई भी मेडिकल कैंप करना चाहें, बच्चों को ढूंढ के और सर्जरी के लिए मुंबई भेजना चाहें, I will personally take every child to Bombay. So today I have coordinated with all my 7 governors of Maharashtra कि जितने बच्चे आप लोग को ढूंढने हो सर्जरीज के लिए, whether it is heart surgery, it is cochlear implants which your club is doing, whether it is orthopedic surgery, please do the camps, send the child, money will be arranged by District 314. So this is the power of Rotary, power of helping people. So be the change and let us make a proper change. Now I'm sharing about the cochlear implant project. आपके क्लब में 2 साल पहले Ashok Devra ji had called me for a DOP of your club. I still remember that day. Mohan Joshi was the trainer, and we discussed about cochlear implant which your club was doing and had stopped. I offered them support from the Chief Minister Relief Fund and various other trusts where as a part, and that program started again. उसके बाद में काफी सर्जरीज हो गई है और होती रहेगी, and next year it will be thrust area where Ashok Devra will leave that project. But what happened after that? Ashok ji, उसके 2 महीने बाद I was talking to Ashok Mehra of Sea Coast Club, and he was so excited कि मेरे फादर ने एक मशीन दी थी ऊपर हॉस्पिटल में ऑन कॉकलर इम्प्लांट इयरिंग के लिए दी थी, तो मेरे को ये प्रोजेक्ट करना है. And when I offered him support from the CM and other trust, he has got 2 global grants from Sea Coast Club, which is underway, and surgery is held for cochlear implant at Cooper Hospital regularly for the last 2 years. तो आज वो cochlear implant का एक छोटा सा एक discussion at your DOP has led to this project at this level. And one more club, Rotary Club of Seaface, this year is doing 80 cochlear implants at SRCC Hospital at Haji. तो ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है, उसको छोड़ो मत, आगे बढ़ाओ, and the things will be keep changing continuously. I was told कि आज एक environment के बारे में तो अपनी बात हो ही गई है. Let me share one more last thing about health. Rotarians are helping the world. उनको दुनिया की मेडिकल चेकअप करने हैं, लेकिन कई बार खुद का चेकअप नहीं करते हैं. We have lost many Rotarians because of various disease, whether it is cancer, heart, or many things. Last 3 years, we lost 3 sitting presidents to cancer. So I request the president kindly ensure that every member does their own checkup. Every member should do their own checkup, and कोई भी टाइम पे कोई डिजीज पकड़ी जाती है तो इंसान बच जाता है. आज 4th स्टेज पर, 3rd स्टेज पर कैंसर से कोई नहीं बचेगा. हार्ट अटैक में, डायबिटीज में एट हायर लेवल कभी नहीं बचेगा. सो इनफैक्ट आई हैव डिक्लेयर्ड फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर every president has to do the health checkup and bring the reports before the year starts with the district secretary. I have done a tie-up with Hinduja Hospital for Rotarians. The medical director of Hinduja, Dr. Sanjay Agarwala, is a member of my club. He is given a 15% special discount for Rotarians. They got a separate building for health checkup with the best of machinery. I did my own checkup in November when I started this. तो कभी किसको भी वहाँ चेकअप करना हो, I will arrange a letter to be given to किशन अग्रवाल जी, अशोक देवरा, उनका लेटर लीजिए, वहाँ जाइए, सब लोग चेकअप करिए, and please save life of Rotarians first. Now let me share something about COVID. What I shared, COVID is there because of destruction of nature. Next, I want to share, as a doctor in naturopathy, 20 years back, when I started naturopathy, 20 years back, I developed a herbal tea. And why I developed herbal tea, that time I read an article, the second biggest reason for absenteeism in the world is cold, cough, and fever. The symptom of COVID, cold, cough, and fever, is the biggest absenteeism is the reason in the world, not today, from a long time. So that time I worked on this thing, how to reduce this. I developed a herbal tea formula. The first ingredient is hot water. When you drink hot water regularly, your throat remains clean. So now how to make the hot water more effective? So the best ingredients for this is adrak. अदरक को पानी में साथ में बॉईल करो, एंड फर्स्ट इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ इज अदरक. टुडे यू वोंट बिलीव, आप चेक करिए कोविड के कई हॉस्पिटल में दे आर गिविंग जिंजर टू द कोविड पेशेंट्स many times a day continuously. So adrak is the best ingredient for throat cure. So 20 years back, this ingredient was adrak. Next best ingredient for this herbal tea was methi dana. Methi dana to be boiled with this water. The next item is vitamin C in the form of nimbu. Add nimbu to this herbal tea. हर हॉस्पिटल में आप देखोगे सब लोग बोलते हैं विटामिन सी लो. विटामिन सी इज द वन ऑफ द क्योर्स फॉर कोविड. Whether it is in form of nimbu, it is form is avla, it is form of peru, or it is form of mosambbi, or such things. So ये चार चीज were the ingredients of that herbal tea which I developed. And the final thing which I added in this herbal tea was honey. Honey for taste. It could be sugar, but honey is the best ingredient in naturopathy for lung cure. Anyone having asthma, just एक honey को smell कर लो and it will open up your lungs. So this formula of herbal tea which I made 20 years back, of methi dana, adrak, nimbu, and honey, which thousands of people all over India are drinking every day, is the best formula to be taken every day, twice a day, and it will help you to keep your throat clean. So I would end on this, and any questions I would welcome at this stage.
Thank you, Rajendra ji. You have given us good suggestions, so we'll definitely take those suggestions. As you mentioned, our cochlear implant project, Ashok Devra ji is quite keen. This year, I think he has already planned about 15 cochlear implants. Pediatric heart surgeries also this year we are planning with very help of our Sajan Goenka ji and many other donors. So that also we are planning. Only because of COVID, I think all other things are stuck.
नहीं जी मैं ऐड करूंगा. आज भी लाइक हम लोग हार्ट सर्जरीज बम्बई में 7 हॉस्पिटल में संभाल रहे हैं. एंड surgeries are going on every day. We got 15 heart surgeries 15 to 20 happening every month. Because आज इतने बच्चे हैं कि ये कभी रुकना तो है ही नहीं ना.
या वो तो बरोबर है.
So at Wadia Hospital we are having 6 surgeries every week. At SRCC Hospital we are having 15 surgeries a month. At Kokila Ben also we are having 15 surgeries a month. So surgeries एकदम चालू है. जो emergency बच्चे हैं वो emergency में आते हैं और जो डॉक्टर सर्जरी कर करके पॉजिटिव होकर ठीक हो गए हैं.
So at least आज ही मुझे बात हुई थी कि अराउंड 50 pediatric हार्ट सर्जरी प्लान की है
Wonderful,
और
wonderful.
15 कॉकलियर इम्प्लांट प्लान किया है. आपके बाकी सब प्रोजेक्ट्स हम देख लेंगे और जरूर करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. एंड क्वेश्चन इफ एनीबडी हैज.
Yes, yes, I have.
Gupta ji
Manoj,
has.
I have a question. Rajendra ji, fruit plantation project. हमारे रोटेरियन मयंक गांधी बड़े इन्वॉल्व हैं, आपका भी उनमें सहयोग बना हुआ है. We would like to know something about this project where stressed out farmers' incomes are being increased many times, many folds.
Let me share this project. आप मयंक गांधी आपके ऑनररी मेंबर हैं, मैं तो उनसे मिलके सीखा हूँ. लास्ट ईयर मयंक गांधी ने पूरी अपनी लाइफ छोड़ दी है फार्मर के अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए. लास्ट ईयर उन्होंने लातूर में 11 लाख फ्रूट ट्री लगाई है. अभी व्हाट इज अ फ्रूट ट्री? फ्रूट ट्री के रूट्स जो होते हैं, उसके रूट्स, बिग फ्रूट ट्री के रूट्स गो डाउन हंड्रेड्स ऑफ मीटर्स इन द ग्राउंड. लातूर के अंदर जहां मराठवाड़ा में एक सूखा पड़ा रहता है, फार्मर सुसाइड होती है, ऐसी फ्रूट ट्री लगने से जो बारिश में पानी गिरता है, एवरी बिग ट्री स्टोर्स 3 to 5,000 लीटर ऑफ वाटर आफ्टर द रेन हैज गॉन इन देयर रूट्स, and they give water back to the tree after the rains have gone. So if you plant such a quantity of trees, वहां सूखा तो रह ही नहीं सकता है. आज बोलते 106 विलेज में जहां मयंक गांधी ने झाड़ लगाए हैं, वहां सूखा खत्म हो गया है. वन. सेकेंडली, जो फ्रूट की ट्री है, भगवान ने इतना खाना दिया इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रूट्स, खाने की कोई कमी नहीं है. एक झाड़ एक बीज से बनता है. एक झाड़ में हजारों फल लगते हैं. हर फल के अंदर न्यूमरस सीड्स रहती है. व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड इज वाटरिंग ऑफ वन सीड. तो आज जो इतने झाड़ लगे हैं, इतना खाना निकल रहा है कि आज दुनिया में एक न्यूट्रिशियस खाना, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स कैन बी अवेलेबल इन ह्यूज क्वांटिटी इफ यू प्रमोट दिस प्रोजेक्ट. फार्मर मयंक गांधी शेयर कर रहे थे, और आपने देखा ही होगा जो वेबसाइट है ग्लोबल परली, उसमें फार्मर 25-50 हजार रुपए की इनकम थी उनकी when they were doing the ordinary crops. After fruit plantation, their income has multiplied 10, 20, 30 times. I remember one farmer speaking. He planted 900 papaya trees in 1 acre at a distance of 8 feet. Each papaya tree is giving him 60 kilos per plant. Total production 54,000 kilos. At a wholesale price, he is earning 6 lakh rupees per acre now. And you won't believe, मयंक गांधी बोले थे इनकी मार्केटिंग करे बिना इनको पैसा कैसे मिलेगा. तो मार्केटिंग मयंक गांधी करवा रहे हैं. And this weekend, coming weekend on Saturday, I have told him to send 1 lorry of papayas to Bombay. 1 lorry of papayas, 3,000 kilos papaya, 2,000 pieces of papayas, 1.5 से 2 किलो are coming to Bombay. किशन जी, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा फोटो, आप जो फोटो है प्लांट की ग्रुप में आपके क्लब में शेयर करिए. ऑर्गेनिक पपैयाज 1.5-2 किलो के एक पपैया है. व्हाट क्वालिटी, व्हाट ब्यूटी. And those papayas will come to Bombay in a lorry, and they will be distributed whichever source people want. We will empty that at one location, and in 10 small tempos, we will load 200 pieces, about 300 kilos of papaya. So जो भी उसको distribute करना चाहें, it will be available at 50% of the market price to Rotarians. एक अंदाज बाजार में 60 रुपया किलो पपैया है, 30 rupees a kilo approximately average. We can't weigh every papaya, but मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आपका क्लब जो मयंक गांधी आपके हैं, आपके क्लब में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करिए। अभी मीटिंग नहीं हो रही है प्रेसिडेंट साहब, मीटिंग नहीं
Yes,
हो रही है,
sir.
खाना खिलाने के बाद में सबको पपैया भिजवा
पपैया खिलाइए, नहीं तो पपैया भेज दीजिए। Thank you.
Let me share the benefit of papaya. Papaya is the best fruit for acidity control. In naturopathy, papita is known as a sponge to absorb extra acidity. It has got very high fiber to take care of constipation. It has got unbelievable content of vitamins and minerals. It is anti-aging. It is easily digestible. So अगर आप एक टेम्पो 200 पीस का 300 किलो का चाहो at only 30 rupees a piece, 50% of market price, जहां बेचना है किशन जी को बता दीजिए. And I'm arranging next year, in fact we are starting marketing of these fruits and vegetables through our Rotarians all over Bombay, fresh, organic and net reduced prices. Next year हमने मयंक गांधी को टारगेट दिया है पालगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3141 का. We will do 25 lakh fruit trees. 25 lakh fruit trees which will help 5 to 10,000 farmers. 5 से 10,000 farmers की income level, family level will change. And what Mayank Gandhi has said, approximately 400-500 झाड़ लगेंगे एक एकड़ में. खाली प्लांट का कॉस्ट देना है approximately 12,500 rupees for an acre. He will arrange every acre of plant जहाँ donor देगा, will arrange a certificate, maybe a board also at that location mentioning the name of the donor, farmer and location. One more thing we are working out, the cost of the donation will be reimbursed to the donor in the form of fruits when it comes. 12,500 का फ्रूट डोनर जाके खुद अपने हाथ के तोड़ के ले ले या उनके घर एट कॉस्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट भिजवा भी देंगे. So this is the project of Mayank Gandhi which I'm sharing with you.
Thank you.